In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a question in Brightspace that gives students partial credit based on the number of words they put in. Specifically, we'll be looking at the Lesson 14 Explore quiz. I've already fixed the bottom question here, so we're actually going to have replaced the bottom question. We're now going to replace the top question here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So before we delete this question, we'll go ahead and create a new question that's going to be really similar to this one, just a little bit different. So I'm going to create a new question. I'm going to choose multiple short answer question as the new type of question. This is going to be worth 3.5 points because that's what it's worth currently. As I scroll down here, I want to change the number of input boxes to 1. I want to, let's see, I have 3 possible answers here, and I'm going to need 11. So this is the code that I'm going to be inputting, and I need an input box for each one of these pieces of code. So I need to add 8 to 3 to get 11. So I'll go ahead and put 8 there and add them. And as you can see, I now have 11 boxes. Now, because we're doing regular expressions, the next thing we want to do is we want to change these all to regular expressions. And then we are going to begin, I'm going to start copying and pasting each and every one of these into their correct box. And that one is going to be worth 100%, and so on and so forth. Okay, now that I have all of these in, go back and kind of check them. Make sure that I've got them all right. And then I'm going to just check my other settings as well once more. Now it looks correct, so I'm going to click Save. It's going to kind of pop up with this, I don't know if you would call it an error message, but just go ahead and click Yes. There's a field that's not supposed to be empty. This field cannot be left empty. Very good, yes. I actually need to put the question text in for the question, so I'm very glad that it prompted me of that. So let me just grab that text really quickly off my other screen. There it is. Now I can save it. Okay, so now you see that I have this question is the same as this one, and I'm going to delete the old question from the quiz. Okay, and that should do it. I'm going to go back to this quiz just to test to make sure that, that what I've done works. Lesson 14 quiz Explore quiz. I'm going to preview it. Start my quiz. And then I'm just going to put in 25 words for each of these. Test, 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 test. So that's 5 words. Put them in there. I'm going to copy it and do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to submit the quiz to see if it worked. So it did work. I got 50% because I put in 25 words. So that should do it. You should be able to fix both of the questions in the Lesson 14 Explore quiz with this video and any other regular expression that you find that's partial credit.